are not discussed. Then the DDL, total lot of the commands, first create is over, alter is over. In the DML, what are over? Insert is over, update is over, and delete is over, guys. This 5 over. This 5 over. Now let's come back to the DDL. Okay, we'll see now. Which one? Truncate, drop. We'll see now. Truncate and drop. What is truncate? What and drop? See, this truncate and drop belongs to which one? They belong to DDL sublanguage. Which one? DDL sublanguage. Both belong to DDL. So DDL means they work on the which one? Header part, not the body. On the header part they work. Both commands. Okay. Now we'll see difference between both, guys. We'll see now difference between both. Suppose one table is there. Guys. The table now, what is mandatory? Work with these things. Header is mandatory. All right. The table header is mandatory. Suppose some SID is there, some SNAME is there. Okay. Then some location is there. Right. Location is there, and some marks, something like this. Some fields are there. Okay. Some fields are there, guys. The data is optional because I'm working with what here? Working with the DDL sublanguage, right? DDL. That's why what is mandatory here? The header is mandatory. The header is mandatory here, right? The data is optional here. Or imagine now data also is there. For example, data also is there. Suppose this is the one. Just all of observe here. One. Then some name. Suppose Sai. The location is HOID. And the marks something 90 over. Next to 2, okay, just I take the 2, then some Nani, for example, like this. The next one. I'm taking here, suppose it Bangalore, and let's take something 80, guys, right? 80. Just imagine now there are 2 records are there. Right, 2 records are there now. All of you. Now 2 commands, right? What's first? This is the what here? This is called what? This is called the header. Okay, and this is called what? This is the right body, guys. Header, body. Header and the body. Okay, right. Now, what's first command? Let us work with first of all truncate, guys. Let's see first of all which one? The truncate. Let's see about the truncate command. All right. Let's move inside. Right. So truncate command, guys, right? Truncate command. All of observe clearly. Let us see now about the truncate. About the truncate. The syntax is truncate table name. For example, right? Let's take the table name. Students, guys. Students, okay. Suppose if run this command, which command? Truncate command, okay. Truncate command, guys. Truncate command. If you run, then logically, what will happen? Okay, I'm running what here? Run the truncate command. Run the truncate command here. Truncate table, okay. If you run the truncate command, logically, what happens here? All of observe here. So it deletes both. It deletes both header. All of them, right? It deletes both header and body. Both will delete. Header, body will delete. Plus, it will recreate the header. It will recreate the header. See, if you delete the header, automatically body will delete, guys. Without header, no body. If you remove the header, body removes automatically. So what happens here? Deletes the header. When the header is deleted, body also will delete automatically. Immediately it recreate the header. Recreate the header only. Now no body. No body, guys. All of you. So finally, what is there now? What is the finally? Only header is there. All of right. So whenever run the truncate, first of all, it deletes the header. Deletes the header. When the header is deleted, at the time body also goes automatically. Immediately, what happens again? The header only will recreate, guys. Header only will recreate. Finally, what is there now? Finally, what is there? Finally, only header is there. Finally, only header, guys. Only header is there. All of you. What is the finally? Only header is left. That's all. Now, body is not there. Body is not there. That's the truncate command. The people say that truncate will remove the all body. Truncate remove the body. That's all. People say that when asked the interview, what is truncate? Truncate removes all body. So means see when on the command, all body will remove. Only header is there generally. But internally, what is happening? When the header is deleted, body also deleting. Both deleting, guys. Both deleting again. Header coming back. Header coming back. That's why only what is there now? Header is there. That is what here, that is the truncate command. Okay. Now, on the same one, apply, on the same one, apply what here? Apply the drop, guys. Let us see now. On the same one, apply the drop. Let us see now. All of you observe. Right. So I take the same again, same table. I take the same table. I take the same table here. What's concept now? Which one? Drop, right? Okay. Yes, same table, guys. And let's see about the drop. We'll see about here the drop. Now run the what here? Run the drop command. Okay. Run the which command? Which command? Drop. Okay. Drop command, guys. Run the drop command. If run the drop command, what happens now? In case of truncate, if run the truncate command, what is happening? What is happening here? Deletes both first header body plus header recreating. That's the one truncate. Now, if run the drop command, what does it do? Same deletes both header and the body, both will delete. No recreation, only both will delete. That's all. Both are removed. Now, what is left now? What is there here? Nothing is there. Even we don't have the table header also, nothing is there. In case of truncate, both deleted plus again header came. That's finally header is there. In case of drop, both will delete. No creation. Both will delete, no creation. That's why at the end, nothing is there. Table removed completely. Table removed completely. There is a difference between drop and truncate, guys. All of it. Okay. In the interview, when they want to ask you SQL questions, in the interview, the first question compulsorily difference between drop and truncate. Drop and truncate. Okay. Generally, the people say that drop will remove the entire table. Truncate remove the only body. Remove the only body. Now, if you say like that, one cross question is there. If truncate remove the only body, then why it is DDL? DML means what? Only body work. Insert only body create. Update body modified. Delete body remove. But why truncate and the which one DDL? You are saying that truncate remove the body. Then why not truncate is the DML command? See DDL only header. DML only for body. Truncate part of which one? DDL. DDL means what here? Look on the header. But saying that truncate remove the body. See, all of got the point, right? For saying that truncate remove the body, but why it is DDL command? Very, very common cross question when you go for the SQL interviews. SQL or right? When you go for SQL interviews, it's common question. Okay, right. So that's why we say that here truncate, delete the header. That's what the DDL command. Along with header, body also will delete automatically. Again, a truncate will recreate. Header will recreate. That's why only header is there finally, guys. No body. Okay. Both will see practically. Now open the MySQL. Open the MySQL. Tell me now our table database name. Which one? Database name. NTH 7 AM. Right. So use NTH 7 AM. Show tables. Right. Let me know. Select to start from. Your data is there. The no data, right? The last class all data removed. I think data is not there here. Okay, only empty table is there. I give some data first of all. I give the data, then I show you which one both trying and drop. Okay. So what are the columns available? Right. Until we know some data, insert into what's table name? NTH data, values of, I give the suppose 10 some name, right? Then course is some Python course. Okay, then location is some HYD location. Then I name is NTH. That's all. Over. I think one more also. 11. Then some name Nani. Then course is some Django course. Location is Bangalore. Bangalore. Next one, I name. Let's take some ABC guys. That's all. All of you, right? Now I have the two rows. Okay, two rows are there. Select NTH data. Yes. Now what do we have? Header is there and body also is there. Now run the truncate command, guys. Which command? Truncate command. Now all of observe here. What is the command? Truncate. I think table name. Truncate table name. Yes. What's happening now internally? Both deleting again header recreating. Now see show tables. Whether do we have this table or not? All of right. Okay. Show tables. Show tables. Observe here. Show tables. Show tables. See, this table is there. In the table, what is there? Only header is there. What is there? Only header. Same header is there. What about the body? To check the body, run the select command. See, body is not there. Means what happened here? It removed a header and body. Again, header created a body not created. That's all. That's called which one? Truncate. All of you. Okay. Now, going for the drop again add the data because data is not the right. I add the data. Yes, data is there. Now, see the table. Yes, no table is there. Now, I'm going to which command? Drop command, right? Let me know. Drop table. What table name? Yes. So now header body deleted and no recreation. Now you can see here show tables. Let us see whether we have the tables or not in the database. See, tables also not there. Show tables are no. It is set. Means no tables are there. No tables are there. All of you, right? So are clear now? Difference between truncate and drop. Truncate will delete header body, header recreate. That's all. Drop delete the header body. That's all. Over. Okay. Take the notes. Which one? Truncate, right? Truncate, guys. Right there. Truncate command. Truncate command will delete both header and body. Both header and body. It will recreate the same header the same header, but not body, but not body, but not body, but not body, right? So for this one, just you can take the the notes. Just take this one, guys. What you take means this one taking the notes. Huh? Right. Next one, syntax. What is syntax? The syntax. Truncate table name. Example is truncate table. What's the table name in our case? And table name. And which data? Students data actually. Huh? Okay. Okay. From the show tables, table displaying, right? From the show tables, table displaying. Yes or no? Displaying the table, guys. See, right? Here table header is there, but not a table body. That's all. Right. Or next one, drop. Drop command. Right there. Drop command will delete which one? Both header and the body completely. Good. Right. So here what is the database name? Database name. NDH 7 AM DB, right? In this database, tables are not the right. All of it. Take the empty database. What does it mean? The database, this table deleted. Empty. Or right, what syntax? What syntax? Drop table name. Okay. So drop table entity data. Right. So these are which one? DDL, DML commands, right? Now, what is the DRL? Huh? And then how many commands are there? So next one, the last one is the DRL. DRL, also called what? DQL, data retrieve language or data query language. Okay. In this one, only one is there. That is the command. Select command is there. Command select command. Okay. Distributing DRL, data retrieval language, or DQL, data query language. Data retrieval language or data query language. Or right, right there. DRL language, DRL, DRL, or DRL has a select command, select command. Right there. Select command, select command, command is used to retrieve. Okay, which one? Data from where? From database table. From database table, guys. To retrieve data from database table. Retrieve data from database table. Okay, database table. Database table. All of you, right? Now let us see here. All of you, let's see now. So if you run the truncate, right? Run the truncate. I think drop is not running, right? You don't show tables. Oh, drop was running over. Now what is not there? Table also not there. Empty database is there. Okay. Now to work with the select command, again we need one table, guys. So show databases. All of observe here. Show databases. So many are the right. From there, I'll take one database, guys. Again, we create the one table again. Let's go for maybe anyone. Use let's take Shakila is default database name. Didn't create. If you observe, install the MySQL, around 3-4 database comes by default. Like some schema, like that, 4-5 names comes by default, guys. This walled this name and the performance schema. These are the default names, information schema. Okay. Right. So otherwise, guys, just give me some time. I'll create it now. What's the database name? Use a database name. NTH7 AMDB, right? AMDB. Create new table. Create table. Table name what here? Huh? We take new one or else some any one of our students' data, for example, of I take the ID int, then name some varchar of 20, right? Let's take the location also varchar of some 20, right? Next one course also varchar of some 20, guys. Okay, that's all. Just imagine now It is over, right? Now insert the data directly. Insert into what table name? What table name? Students data values of ID one name subside here. Next one location HYD, right? Next one course is some Python. Okay, Python guys over again two. Then Nani, right? Next one let's take the new location some Bangalore and the course is Django over. Okay, Django over guys. The example is over. And then again just change the only numbers. Change the numbers 3, which one here 4. Again I take again suppose 5, then some 6. Yes, I'll take last one some 7. Right, I take the one here 8. That's all. Now select star from which one? Students data, right? Students data. Yes. Select what is there here? Star. Right, all of observe here. The same command I'm going to show you here. What command name? Select star from some table name, right? Table name. Actually, what's the internal process here? From table, what's table? From this table. See, first let the from this table. From this table. What do you want? Do you want to display all the data? Or do you want to display some columns or some rows you have to specify? First of all, from table. From table, next step what? Display all. Display specific columns, display specific rows. 3 options are there. I want to display all. Then we take it on here, select to star. That's all. First from table, display all. That's meaning, guys. From table, fetch all. Star means all columns. Star means what here? All of you. Star means what? Star means all columns. Some people say that the star means all the data. In interview, when we do interview 4-5 years ago, we ask him what is the meaning of star. Star means all the data. No, star means all columns. Okay. I want to get all the data means all columns required. All columns means what to keep here? Keep the star. Or otherwise keep the required columns. I want only number one, student name only. That's all. Now from the table, select display only which one? Student names only. Or from the table, I want names and locations like this. From the table maybe 20 columns are there. Out of 20, I want only which one? Name and the location only. Or I want a name, location, course also. We can take one by one, whatever the columns you want. Or I want all the columns. Then just keep what here? Keep the star. Star means all columns. Right? So first from this table, I am fetching all the columns. Or I'm fetching only name column or name and location column, name, location, course column. We specify. So 2 steps. First from table. Next what to display. Okay, right. So here from table, I am displaying all. All means all columns. So columns means data also will come automatically. Next, I don't want all columns. I want only few columns only. First from table name. First from this table, what you want now? I want to select a star name. That's all. Select a name. Select a name from table name. Only the names will come. Or I want the names and the courses. Then from a table name, student data. From this table, what you want now? I want to display or select name, comma, course, space. Now all the names, all courses will come. All names and all courses will come. All right. You can retrieve specific column, a set of columns, or all columns also possible. Any one column possible, or a number of columns possible. All columns possible. Okay. What about the controlling the rows? Rows controlling. Suppose observe here all that, right? I don't want all the rows. I want only 1, 2, 3, 4 rows only. ID1, ID2, ID3, ID4 rows only. Then see, first of all, I want all the columns, but rows I don't want all the rows. I want only first 4 rows only. First 4 rows only. Then what to do here? First from what table name? Students data. Students data. From the data, what I want now? Where ID in which one? I want ID 1, 2, 3, 4. For this four people, I want to display all the columns. I want to display all the columns. Okay, from this table, I want only 4 employees. For 4 employees, I want to display all the columns. I want to display all the columns. Then what comes here? We can see now only 4 employees will come. So first from the table, from table, I want 4 employees. For 4 employees, I want to display all the columns. I want to display only 4 employees names only. I want to display first 4 employees names only. Then what to do here? From table name. Okay, from table name, all of you. Students data from table. I want the first 4 employees names only. First 4 employees. Then where ID in what here? First, second, third, fourth. First 4 employees. What I want to display? Only names only. That's all. Only names. Now, first 4 employees. Only names will come. All of you. Okay. Like that, we read the multiple conditions. The other topic, the name is called clauses. Clause, CLAUSES, clauses. There we see exactly how to work with the select from where. These are clauses. Select clause, from clause, where clause, group by clause, having clause, distinct clause. Some keywords are there. Those you see one by one in the data one topic. Okay, all of you. Just keep reading now. This one over, right? Definition over. Right there here. Right. We can retrieve either retrieve only one column or set of columns or all columns also. All of you see these columns are also called what here? All of you under names of fields also called what here? Attributes also, guys. All similarities. Columns, fields, attributes. If you want to write, make in the box. Columns also called the fields, also called the attributes. Okay. In case of rows called records. Records also called tuples. The columns also called fields, also called attributes. The rows are also called records, also called tuples. First we see syntax of retrieving the specific attribute. Syntax retrieving what here? Specific attribute means what? Column. Okay. Right there here, retrieving specific. Okay, specific attribute, guys. Specific column. Okay, specific column. So take syntax here. Now the syntax you take like this. I'll observe now. So from which one here? Table name. Just observe now. Table name. The first line. Select which one here? Attribute name, right? Attribute name or column name, guys. Attribute name or column name like this. Because I'm specific attribute retrieving, right? Attribute also called what? Don't think again what is attribute. Same name only we are using the attribute, that's all. Column, attribute both are same. Take like these two lines. From separate line, take separate line. If you make single also no problem, guys. Don't think that again why two lines. Same also no problem. But generally in SQL, the line starts with some class, select class from class. You should understand once if you done the topic, clauses topic. For example, here, select suppose name from entity that our table name, right? To the same table name, no problem. For previous table name, use the same table name, guys. I take the new table, all those things again not required. Again writing the new table, creating data inserting all. Next one, second one is here retrieving a set of attributes. Next one is retrieving a set of attributes. In set of columns simply. Set of attributes or columns, guys. Again from which one? Table name. From table name and the above select suppose name comma location comma syntax, right? Attribute name 1, attribute name 2, like this. Specify a number of attributes. This is a number of columns. The example here is from NTH data, select name comma location comma course comma, that's all, a course like this. Or right, last one, retrieving all attributes like this. Retrieving all attributes. Retrieving all attributes. Right there, we use what we use star. We use star to retrieve all attributes. To retrieve all attributes. To retrieve all attributes means all columns. Okay, it's syntax now. So from table name, the above. Okay, select a star. or right. So it's about DRL or DQL, guys. Now what we have seen? We have seen the sub languages. Sub languages. So how many are there? Total of 5 are there. What are those? DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, TCL. Last one CL means controlling, means admin part, which we don't require. Required the first 3 only. DDL, DML, DRL. We discussed all commands very clear, right? Now the next concept is let's go for joins, guys. Very interesting topic. Which one? Don't write joins. The topic name joins, right? Joins. So here now all of you observe we are using select, right? Select a star from table name means from only one table I'm fetching the data. This means what here? From how many tables are there here? One table. From this table I'm fetching all the attributes, means all the data. Suppose I want to fetch data from 2 tables, from 3 tables, or from a number of tables. We go for which one? Joins. Joins are used to fetch data from multiple tables. Now we know how to fetch from single table. Above query is the which one? Fetch from the single table. Now I want fetch from the multiple tables. Okay. In both the tables, if you have the 2 tables, for example, both the tables are one common column must be there. Then we'll compare the data, fetch the data. Some IDs are there. Compare the IDs. Where are the ID matching for both the tables? The data we fetch. All of right. That's why in both the tables one common column must be there to work with the which topic? Joins topic. Okay. So tell me now why joins are used? Why joins are used? Right. Observe now. Joins are used to fetch data from multiple tables. And there are different types of joins are there. Like inner join, outer join, outer. Inner means matching data. Outer means unmatching data. Simple words. Inner join, outer join. Okay, suppose take the 2 people, common qualities are there. Some are inequalities in person A, some are unique in the person B. All of right. So common qualities and uncommon qualities are there. To get the common qualities, we use which one? Inner join. For example, I'm saying uncommon is there. There is outer, inner, outer. All of right. So here different joins are there. Just take the definition. Joins are used to fetch the data from different tables or from multiple tables. Different tables are multiple tables. Wait. So I'll give a simple example, guys. I just take the 2 tables now. I just take the 2 tables. All of you observe here. Yes, I take the one table. Here with some fields. Just observe all of you. I take the let's take for example employee, guys. Okay, employee R. Let's take the student, for example. Okay, student data. Students some data, right? Students data. I'm taking the table name. So we take the which one? Suppose student number common. Then student name is common, right? Student name is common. Next one. I take the suppose his location and some mobile number, guys. For example, like this. Okay, so mobile number. I take like this. All of you observe. Over. Right. So let's go some data. I take some data, guys, here. Student one here, and the name is suppose Sai, right? The location is some HOID and mobile number. I just take the some wall number. Next, I take the 2, for example. Then take the Nani here. Then let's take the Bangalore, and I just take the some number like this, guys. Alafu, something like this. Next, 3, right? Some name here. Then Chennai, right? I take the some number like this. Over. And last one, I take suppose 4. Just imagine 4. So many are there. Just take few data here. Let's take now. Suppose right Rahul, and suppose let's take here some Pune, and some number is there like this. Over. All of you. So now what is over here? I have taken the students' data in one table. Imagine, right? Students are there. Now I have one more table. That name is a course table, because all students joining the course, right? I take the one more table that is a course. Okay, course table, guys. Now all of you observe here, right? I take the what's table name? Table name what here? This one now. Right, course table I take here. I take now course data. Course as a data, something like this. I take here first course number. I take the course number. Okay, course number. Then I take here suppose course name. The course has the fee. And suppose some institute name, guys. Very joined institute name, for example. Okay, or else I take the marks, guys. For example, take the marks. We take the marks. Now all of observe here. I take the data of all the courses first of all. The course number is the 10. The course name is, for example, Python course, and fee is suppose 3,000, right? Not 30,000, guys. Okay, let's take marks 90, right? 90 marks, guys. Or maximum marks here, not marks, maximum marks. You know, right? Maximum marks means yes or no? Yes or no? What's maximum marks? Highest marks. In the school days, college days, maximum marks is there. Maximum marks. Total marks. Total means the exam is for how many marks? 100 marks or 50 marks, 25 marks, like that. Means whatever rate, maximum marks 100 marks only. That's the meaning. At the 20 booklets also. Some people read a lot of booklets. How many marks maximum? 100 marks only. Some people read the whole 2 booklets only, or 2 sheets only. How many marks maximum? 100 only. Okay, if you study the one day, throughout the year, how many marks maximum? 100 only. Not more than 100. Okay, that's the maximum marks. Okay, for Python, I just take the maximum marks is 100, guys. Any student, right? I just take the maximum marks. How many? Maximum marks is 100. Means Python exam for 100 marks. That's all. Okay. Next one, guys. Let's go here. Let's go now. Course 11. Let's take the suppose Django, right? 3,000. Imagine now the Django for 75 marks, maximum marks, right? Next one, 12. UI course, for example, 1,000. Okay, 1,000, guys, 1,000 marks. So 1,000 fee, and maximum marks is 100 marks, for example. Last course is something 13. Let's take Java, for example. Java, how much fees? Suppose 2,000, and how many marks? Maximum marks? Let's take 100 marks. That's all. Now, both the tables are having the full data. Students data has the students table completely, and course has its own data. But between these two, no relationship is there. Even though course has the full data, student has the full data. But my question is, what course learning by Sai? Tell me now, which course learning by Sai? Can you say now? You cannot say. Or which course learning by Nani? Can you say? No, you cannot say which course learning by Sai. Even the courses are there. But what course he learning? We don't know here. Okay. The same time, who learning the UI course? who are student learning the UI course. If the students are there, unable to say who is learning the UI course. All right, means so what is happening here? Two tables are there, but between two tables, no relationship is there right now. That's why what I'm saying here. Now, my question is display all the students and his courses. My question is display all the students and his courses, but not possible here. In single query, not possible in this case. In single query, not possible. What I want now, I want output like this, for example, guys. For example, Sai, his course is Python, like this. Sai, Python. In single output, I want. At the time, in this time, not possible. Okay. So if you want to get the data from both the tables, what is mandatory? One common column is mandatory. Which column? This ID column, guys. Okay. This ID column. Now, what do I do here? I take the one more column here. Which one? SID or S name. No S number, no problem, guys. Okay. Now, the first Python course, learning by I am giving to. Who is to? Now, what non course now? Python, you can say no. Next one here, Django learning by 3. And for example, like UI learning by 1. And which one here? Java learning by whom? Suppose Rahul. That's all right. Okay. We came for Python class, right? Python class. It's UI class. Sorry, MySQL class. Right. All of you observe. Right now you can say, what is the course of Sai? Tell me now. Course of Sai. Which course? UI. So Sai learning UI course. See now. Complete information is there. Next one. What is the Nani course? Nani learning Python course. It's information. I told you beginning day. Data, information, data, no meaning, information, full meaning. Next one, Satya is learning which course? Django. See, Satya is learning Django course. Full meaning is there. All of you. Next, Rahul is learning which course? Java course. Right? Now, my question is, write a query, write a program or query to display all the students and his courses. Right? The output must be, I'm saying, just write the output. Tell me now, what are the S names and which one here? C names, right? C names, guys. Sai, for Sai, what is the C name? Sai learning which course? UI, like this I want. Sai learning UI course. Next one, Nani, which course? Python, right? Python course. I'm learning the Python course. Next, Satya, which course? Java. Django, right? Django. Last one, Rahul, learning which course here? Learn Java course like this. Now, all of you observe here. You have the now complete information is there. Sai learning UI course, Nani learning Python course, Satya learning Django course, Rahul learning the Java course. This is called information and this is called data. All of you. See, this is called what here? Information. Above, these are the data. On the data, we do program, output comes, that is the information. All right? Okay. So here, Sai is there. But what course of Sai? In the previous case, no clarity. The Sai is there. The Python is there. Who learning Python? No clarity in the previous case. But now, we have the full clarity. Sai, which course UI, like that, data information is there. All right. So here, what happened now? We got the data from both the tables. Maybe 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, and number of tables. We get the data, guys. This is what we're going to see in the coming days, tomorrow. Okay, right. So definition over, right? We'll stop it now. Tomorrow we'll see types of joins and see one by one join. Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Bye. Tomorrow, same time at MySQL.